Now 6:14, Chester is getting us updated on the forecast. But Chester, you're looking down south right now. We had some pretty significant weather over the weekend.
Right, and that was one of the big national stories. This happened, of course, in Mississippi. There is a state of emergency after severe storms and reported tornadoes killed at least 25 people and injured dozens over the weekend. Deadly tornadoes hit parts of the Mississippi Delta on Friday, leaving destruction stretching over 150 miles. President Biden has approved a disaster declaration, so help is on the way. This morning, FEMA says more than 2,000 homes in Rolling Fork, Mississippi were damaged or destroyed by these storms. Just to give you some perspective of how dangerous of a situation this was, watch this moment from WTVA's meteorologist on TV. This is during the storm in Northeast Mississippi.
We got a new scan coming in here as we speak. Oh man, like north side of Amory, this is coming in. Oh man. Dear Jesus, please help them. Amen. Okay.
I can't even fathom. And that little blue dot that he was showing there, that's the debris from the tornado that was being picked up by the radar. That is just an incredibly strong storm for it to show up that well on radar. And you see the devastation right here. It's just, your heart goes out to these people who live in these areas. In, you know, Mississippi and much of the South, they call it Dixie Alley for a reason. They get a lot of tornadoes. All right.